because last 2 weeks ago, I talked about how the combination is between the KBC and the KCB, and I want to give you a little bit more about updates about how we handle the KBC and the KCB token separately. Right now, first of all, we implemented a complete new structure of marketing tools. So we'll have the business app in place. I hope you already downloaded it. From next week on, you can log in to your app with your username and your credential that you have at Karatbars, and then you can definitely, now sound is here, sound is there. Definitely go into your app and have every week videos ready from us that inform you about the new status, what's coming in with Karatbars. So you will have videos from me, you will have videos from Harald, you will have videos from our corporate team. So we will inform you through the business app what's gonna happen with Karatbars with the next steps. So for information, we has no capacity for that limited group. So we have in Zoom, we have already only 300 people there. We cannot go up to more than 2,000. So again, we will have the business app ready for video messages to you. In the same time, we will have our conference system ready for the business app, so that people, you can talk to your leaders can talk to you directly from video to video. But first of all, corporate will be informing you with the business app about what's going to happen, news that are going out, incentives, everything like that. So we will put down the business app as a better communication part between corporate and you. And then, of course, the next step, as you already know, from you to your sales field, from you to prospects, from you to recruiting people, everything like that. So be prepared that the business app until end of this year is fully functional, and you can use the business app for everything that you need. We will also include into the business app our new exchange and our corporate app, meaning that you will have, when you have the back office in your business app, you can also access your exchange systems. So from exchange, from gold, cash gold to cryptocurrency, everything will be in there as well. So be prepared. Next week we start with videos from us to you, and then we will inform you next step, what's going on. Then the new company presentations, company landing pages will be ready very soon. Company presentation mean every one of you can use the company presentation and download it to present the new Karatbars ecosystem to every prospect in the world. It's seamless. We talked with the leadership group about it, that every information is included, that you can do a half an hour to 45-minute company presentation, from one-on-one meetings up to 1 to 100 meetings, 1 to 1,000 meetings. So the company presentation will give you an overview about what Karatbars is doing right now and why prospects, people that you approach, should join our wonderful and easy business. The business presentation is part of the new steps that we are bringing in. The business presentation is the basis of how we want to have you informed about how we recruit prospects, how we can sign up affiliates. And then the next step will be that we guide you with our business app on top to the company presentations to the next level. So the business app will also include ways and knowledge database, how you recruit, how I would live recruit prospects, how would I live sign up prospects. I will take videos of that, and you just duplicate the business presentations, maybe one-on-one, maybe 1-on-3. You know, some of you know already my 5-to-5 duplication process. That's what I'm teaching you with the Golden Lions program as well. And now I will bring it to you via view that every one of you can duplicate. This is the basis, the company presentation. The coin presentation is in there. We will also have another presentation where you can see what Karatbars is doing already around the world. So that we are negotiating with countries, that we are negotiating with special kind of industries where this ecosystem is implemented. This ecosystem is not only a digital currency. This ecosystem is not only a bank account. This ecosystem is not only gold and gold exchange. This is based on Karatbars group that we're having. Karatbars group is meaning that we will have one part more into that financial exchange direction. So meaning financial exchanging systems between gold, cash gold, and cryptocurrency. One part is, for instance, cryptocurrency based only. Cryptocurrency meaning that we will have special exchange programs. So when we are on our own exchange, you can exchange cryptocurrency with cryptocurrency. You can exchange Bit with KBC, KBC with Ethereum, Ethereum with KCB. That's all possible. And that's, in cryptocurrency speaking, that's allows us to build up a very big community of people who are using our exchange. And what happens when the exchange has a lot of members, has a lot of volumes, and has a lot of people doing transaction in the exchange? Then you guys earn money directly on commission. That is called fee-based commission. We will have a fee on every kind of transaction that we are doing the Karatbars universe of exchange programs. So you want to exchange fiat currency against cryptocurrency on our exchange. You want to exchange cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency on our exchange. Or you want to even exchange on our exchange the daily rate of gold in our cryptocurrency. You can go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth on our exchange. Every time, of course, you will do a transaction on our exchange, there will be a fee. This fee will be, of course, less than on any other digital currency exchange that is out there. But it's not only a digital currency exchange that we are building. We also include gold and cash gold into the exchange. So people can convert their currencies in a digital form into our universe. Gold, cash gold, Bitcoin, Ethereum, KBC, KCB. And that means every time when there's a transaction, there's a fee. With that fee, which is way lower than every other fee on a digital currency exchange, with that fee is going again to the bank, to the fully licensed cryptocurrency bank that we are having in Miami. One big branch, one headquarter is in Miami, but there will be in the future a lot of new branches from our cryptocurrency bank, not only in the US. There will be branches in Asia, there will be branches in Europe, there will be branches also in Africa, where we also can, within the branch, handle transactions. So you can go in, pay cash in, you can go in and access your account, your e-wallet system on our exchange, and you can exchange online. You can also exchange within the branches. And then this fee going into the bank, and this bank again has a contract between our banking system, our bank as mother company of all technologies, and a direct gold purchase for the KBC coin. So every time they're coming a fee in, no matter how big it is, we separate the fee. 50% of the fee going out to a KBC purchase off the profit of the fee. And 1/3 of the other part of the transaction fee is going out to a direct commission for you as affiliate partners. So when there's any kind of relation between a transaction on a cryptocurrency exchange that we are having, you also get a commission with you and your team in a direct commission way, including units. So that means that the exchange will help you also to build up affiliates. But right now, what does it mean? You have to build up teams. You have to build up teams that grow bigger. You have to build up teams that duplicate. You have to build up teams that grow and spread the message of the Karatbars universe. Why? The more people are in your team, the more people on the exchange will be related to you, and your team. So when you are just one person and we go live with our exchange, that means that the amount of people buying on the exchange that are related to you is very small and limited. If you now build up bigger teams, your team will grow instantly into people that are using the exchange through you or through your team, and then bring in commission from the exchange directly to you. So that means that your chances to receive ongoing commission from our work that we are doing with only one part, the exchange part, the chance is higher when you build up a bigger team. So be prepared and now build up teams that you can go on and participate from the exchange. But that's only one part. The next part is that we will bring in a cryptocurrency ADM. We will show you the first prototype of the cryptocurrency ADM in Miami. So when you have the chance to come to the event to Miami, there will be an appointment at our bank, at our headquarters of the bank in Miami as well. So we will have the meeting on Saturday, our World Tour event, on Sunday, there will be a meeting at the bank. And if you have to go to the bank, then you will see in smaller groups, it's limited, then you will see that we will, what? It's already turned off.
Okay.
So then you will see that the ADM, the prototype, will have a big impact on what we are doing with our ecosystem of Karatbars. The ADM is basically our small exchange system that we bring out to the world. So if you're not having a possibility to go to one of our bank branches, we will have an ATM there. The ADM will do the same thing that a bank branch is doing. So you can enter with any kind of credit card, or of course our debit cards. You can enter an e-wallet system, your e-wallet system that you have in the back office with us, and you can exchange currencies, you can send currencies, you can send crypto, gold, cash gold from one e-wallet system to another. But also people from outside who are not having an access to our crypto, to our ecosystem so far, they will enter by doing a transaction on our ADM. They will enter the crypto world, the e-wallet world that we are having. When they start doing transactions through an ADM, just to bring in cash, just to exchange crypto against gold or cash gold, again, these people will be related to one person as Karatbars affiliate. And again, this ADM brings you commission and brings you the world of Karatbars. So when someone is in the system, they will see by using the ADM or by using our exchange that the fees are way less than they normally have with other ADMs, with other banking systems, or with other exchanges that are out there. And now it's the thing, you build up the team, meaning you build up your future commission. Now it's time to see, guys. Now it's time to build, because every time we bring on a new technology, we bring on benefit out of it. Why? When there's more profit for the bank, there will be more profit for the KCB, will be an increase. Also, when there's profit for the bank, 50% of the profit from the bank going out to a direct gold purchase for the KBC. So every time we bring out new technologies, every time both coins benefit. Every time we bring out new technologies from the bank, new exchange system, everything else, you and your team will profit and benefit by commission. So be aware that now you have the time. You are lucky. You already know about Karatbars. Now it's the time that you invest in building teams. Building teams will bring you your future on top commission, fee-based commission that is there. Right now, it's time to duplicate. Right now, it's time to invest time into your Karatbars business. Not only that we are already there since 2011 with gold, now with cash gold, now with cryptocurrency, where you anyway earn money, you earn commission on that. You have auto-save programs, everything is in place. But the future will, on top, our next commission program will be a fee-based commission. So the fee-based commission will also help you to have another income stream coming in by only transactions from what we are doing. Again, another step will be that there will be a company structure, there will be a company holding, and this holding company will directly impact your future with Karatbars. Just a secret, but we will have shareholders in Karatbars that are affiliate partner. So affiliate partner will have the possibility to become shareholders of this company, of this group, Karatbars group that we're having. But that is only possible, again, by performance. So the more time you invest right now into building your Karatbars business, into building your Karatbars team, that will give you the possibility to increase your direct commission that you have right now through packages, through cryptocurrency, through gold. But again, next step will be fee-based commission that comes on top to that, another income stream, and at the end of the day, and maybe a shareholder of the Karatbars group, of the Karatbars holding, the pool holding group that we're having for all our benefits and all our technologies and all our efforts that we're doing with the bank out there. So that should be a very interesting part for you guys in the future. The thing is, see, we have the first gold-backed coin out there. Next thing is that we will have an asset-based bank with a coin every time we bring in investments from the KCB coin, from the bank coin. Every kind of technology that we already started, our blockchain, our exchange is already there. We just publish it when the blockchain is running. ADMs, blockchain phones, mobile phones, bank accounts, everything that is coming. Digital stock exchange, guys, digital stock exchange. This is where companies can be listed for shares, like a physical stock exchange that you know from New York or London or Frankfurt. That is in the digital form. That's already there. So now every time we do something with the technology that is out there, with new programs, with new system, with new exchanges, what we are doing, every time that happens, the KBC, the gold coin, will always benefit out of it. They are directly related through a profit program. On top to that, which is a very beneficial form to do profit, because we have access to our gold mines. When we bring out gold from our gold mines, right now we bring out 3 kilos per week in Madagascar. When we take KCB coins and someone invests into KCB coins, we invest money, of course, into more infrastructure to bring out more gold. That means we can increase the capacity of our gold mine from 3 kilos per week to 3 kilos per day. That brings us 20 kilos per week in gold. We don't need everything of that gold to back up the KBC, so we can trade with the gold. Let's only take 10 kilos per week. So from this 10 kilos per week, our gold traders in Hong Kong will make per week out of these 10 kilos, 15 kilos. So we will have 5 kilos profit out of the gold trading that we have from our gold mine. With that 5 kilos per week, 52 weeks per year, we will have again 250 kilos on top out of our banking effort that we are doing to put in extra into the KBC coin. So it's not only a direct purchase from gold that benefits into the KBC coin, it's also, again, the banking effort. So the bank and the KBC will always be related to each other. So gold coming in or gold trading profit coming on top, this profit 100% is going to additionally back up the KBC coin. Again, another story, the KBC coin that is out there, we will have on top to that from end of next week on another marketing strategy going on to 20 million people and letting them know that these guys, these 20 million people are all into cryptocurrency, letting them know that there's a coin out there, KBC, which already is backed by physical gold. And every time we bring that message out, people are so interested that they go change and want to buy the coin. So that on a long-term strategy will increase the price again of our KBC coin. What also do we have in place? So we will have a lot of new systems, a lot of technologies coming out that are assets from the bank. And you know, assets from the bank are very important because this is not just gold as asset that we have in the KBC. In the KCD coin, we have all the assets that a bank is doing. So bank accounts, debit cards, transactions, ADMs, exchange money, digital stock exchange coming on top. Everything out of that pocket, out of that asset is worth it more than $1 billion each. Exchange is way more worth it than $1 billion. The biggest exchange right now, the digital currency exchange, only a digital currency exchange is worth it already 100 billion. So 1 billion for just the exchange, that's easy to compensate. Then we have cryptocurrency ADMs worldwide with an exchange system between crypto, fiat money, gold, and cash gold. So people can use it even more and easier than every other cryptocurrency ADM. It's not only going in and out, it's exchanging between countries. It's exchanging wallet systems. That ADMs can also bring in a lot of money, minimum 1.5 billion. Then we will have the mobile phone, the blockchain mobile phone. 2 million of these are already ordered. So that can bring in more than $5 billion. Because it's run on the blockchain, no one will go away from the technology as soon as they are in the system, because they have direct access to e-wallet system, direct access to exchange systems. No one will change it anymore as soon as they have one. That's $1 billion itself. So when you add up exchange, international bank accounts based cryptocurrency, bank accounts where you crypto to cash out, where you can use gold and cash gold to cash out, that's not there with branches all over the world. So that's all of that. It's each $1, $2, $3, or $4 billion worth it. When we put that all together into the bank, into the KCB coin of 50 billion coins, tokens out there, not mineable, limited edition, we will have other things in place in between that we bring out. We will have, right now, we have 20 new technology and assets in mind that we can bring into, but we do it step by step, don't worry. Right now it's time to build up teams. Right now it's time to tell about the mentioned our ecosystem. Ecosystem is not only an exchange, it's not only digital currency, it's not only gold, it's bringing the world of Karatbars together. And this is so unique, guys, that when we talk to big investors, 100 million, 200 million investments, they always say, we know an exchange, no digital currency, yes, we know gold, but putting it all together with a unique exchange system and your own blockchain that is decentralized and transparent, that never happened before. So everyone is so interested. So why not your people that you know? Go to them, make a business presentation, use our new tools, be in mind, see what's going to happen next step with Karatbars, and that will make the people come into you. Again, now it's time to build up teams to profit and benefit from every step that we are doing with our bank, with our KCB coin. The KBC will always benefit from the bank, but right now these assets will bring your business to the next level. So my time's up for today. I'm really looking forward to seeing you on the next webinar. I hope you liked it. Next time, we will talk a little bit more about business tools, about what the company prepared and bring out for you to make your business even easier and easier. And I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Now, next world tour stops. This Saturday, Madrid. Next Saturday is the final stop in Miami, including the bank event where we can see the first cryptocurrency ADM as prototype in action. So be there, looking forward to seeing you, being excited. Now it's time to build up teams, guys. Thank you and see you soon. Bye-bye.